ਹੁਣ ਉਹਦੇ ਲਈ ਦੁਬਾਰਾ ਤੋਂ ਬਣਾਉਣ ਦੇ
ਇਹ ਗੱਲ ਸਮਝ ਗਿਆ
हाँ जी मैडम, मेरी आवाज़ आ रही है? हेलो, हाँ जी मैम, आवाज़ आ रही है मेरी?
Yes, audible.
ओके ओके। कर दो मैम शुरू। ओके। ठीक है मैडम, मेरे स्क्रीन दिख रहा है तो एक बार देखिए शेयर हो रहा है। अच्छा ठीक 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 है। ठीक है ठीक है हाँ जी। Good morning to all present in this online platform. Today we are going to do some topic of mathematics. I am going to teach mathematics of class 7th. So ਆਪਾਂ basic ਤੋਂ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਕਰਾਂ, ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਅਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਟੌਪਿਕ ਤੇ ਵੱਲ ਜਾਵਾਂਗੇ। ਸੋ ਬੜਾ ਹੀ ਸਿੰਪਲ ਜਿਹਾ ਕਨਸੈਪਟ ਹੈ। ਇੱਕ ਫਿਗਰ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਨਜ਼ਰ ਆ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ। ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੱਸ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ ਕਿ ਇਹ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਫਿਗਰ ਹੈ ਇਹਦੀ ਸ਼ੇਪ ਕੀ ਹੈ। ਇਫ ਐਨੀਬਡੀ ਵਾਂਟਸ ਟੂ ਟੈਲ, ਚੈਟ ਬਾਕਸ ਯੂਜ਼ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਤੇ ਆਪਣਾ ਆਨਸਰ ਦੇ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ 1 by 1 ਕਿ what is the shape of this figure. Okay, yes, you are right. You are right, beta. This is it. Shape. This is the figure of a triangle. Okay, good. So, beta, name the angles formed by this triangle. ये जो triangle तो हमें दिख रहा है, एक question. Name the angles formed by the triangle. Yes, write down in the chat box. Okay, you can unmute also to give answer. You can unmute your mic and you can give your answer.
Ma'am, ABC, CAB, BCA.
Yes, yes, very good. Angle ABC, BCA and CAB, right. Okay, now what is the sum of three angles of the triangle? Very simple question. What is the sum of three angles of the triangle? Yes, unmute yourself. Yes, so the sum of three angles of the triangle is 180 degree. Good. Names of sides of the triangle which is given in the picture, you have to tell the names of the sides of the triangle. Very simple. Yes, unmute yourself. Tell me, what are the names of the sides of the triangle?
ABC.
Yes, yes, very good. AB, BC and CA. Very simple. Good, beta. So I have just asked you some basic concepts of a triangle, which I think the students of class 7, they must be familiar with these concepts. So I'm starting with that. Now I'm coming to the topic. Today, the topic which I'm going to teach today is exterior angle of a triangle and its property. Now, the triangle which subtends an exterior angle, what is the property of that exterior angle I'm going to teach to you today? Okay, write down the topic in your copies. Okay, students, I hope you are seeing this video. Is this video visible to all of you?
Yes.
Okay, beta. So now a triangle is given, PQR, a triangle given है, जिस दियां 3 vertices given ने P vertex, Q vertex and R vertex, and this triangle दियां 3 sides given है बेटा PQ, QR and RP. PQ line segment is there, QR line segment is there, and PR is there. And this triangle has got 3 angles: angle PQR, angle QRP, and angle RPQ. 3 angles are there. Thing which is important for us is that we are going to understand about the interior angles of the triangle PQR. Now, what are the interior angles? The angle PQR, angle QRP, and angle RPQ. These angles are interior to the triangle. They are lying inside the triangle. So these are called interior angles of the triangle PQR. Now, what I am going to do is, Q line is extended to S, and now when QR line is extended, the angle is formed PRS. So you have any idea in your mind, you can think about it. What is this angle called? Angle PRS.
Fused angle.
To tell you. Now, this angle lies on the exterior of the triangle. This angle is exterior to the triangle PQR. So this angle is called exterior angle of the triangle PQR. Okay. So this angle is formed, PRS is formed exterior to the exterior angle of triangle PQR. Now, we can construct exterior angles on other sides of the triangle also. For example, you can extend the side PQ to M, and when you extend this line, we form another exterior angle, which is that is RQM. RQM is, we have got another. Now we have extended another line, that is QP is extended to U, and by extending the line we have got another exterior angle. What is this called? That is RPU. RPU, we have got another exterior angle. So in this way, we want to say is that we can extend all the 3 lines of the triangle and we can form exterior angles of the triangle. Extend another line, that is RQ till T, and here also we get an exterior angle, angle PQT. Similarly, we have extended line PR. Here also we got another angle, exterior angle we got here. Now we move on. This is an exterior angle to the triangle PQR, and the angle which is adjacent to this angle is PRQ. So PRQ is the yes. So PRQ is the angle which is interior to the triangle and is adjacent to the angle PRS. So these are adjacent angles. Okay. So these are adjacent angles. Now, this is angle P and this is angle Q. What are these angles called? Angle PQR and angle RPQ. These are called interior opposite angles of the triangle, or these are also called remote interior angles of the remote interior angles of the triangle PQR. Now what we are going to do is we are going to find out the relationship between the exterior angle of a triangle and its two interior opposite angles. So what we are going to do is we are going to have the relationship between exterior angle and the two interior opposite angles. So what will be that? Now, in order to find out the relationship, there is an activity which we are going to do. The angle PQR and angle RPQ are cut down. These angles are cut and then on the exterior angle PRS. So they are pasted on the angle PRS. So I repeat, angle PQR and angle RPQ are cut and they are pasted on angle PRS. Now, what do you see from here? What do you conclude? Yes. What do you conclude from here? Yes, beta.
Exterior angle.
Exterior angle, yes.
PRRS.
Yes, okay, you are right. We have found that angle PRS is made up of angles PQR and angle RPQ. When these both angles are joined, the complete angle becomes PRS. Found the relationship between the exterior angle of a triangle and the two interior opposite angles. We have seen that, okay, yes. So exterior angle PRS will be equal to angle RPQ plus angle PQR. Okay, so this is clear from the figure that angle PRS PQR. Now, exterior angle of a triangle, the relationship is that exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of its interior opposite angles RPQ and PQR. So this is the relationship that we have just now found through this activity, that the exterior angle of a the interior opposite angles. Now we will move on with another activity. Now you take a paper and you draw a right angled triangle on the paper. You can draw any other triangle also, but I have taken a right angled triangle. And now I have extended the line QR up to S, so that angle PRS becomes the exterior angle. With the help of the protractor, you have to measure the exterior angle and you will measure the interior opposite angles. So first of all, measure the exterior angle. Okay. When we measure the exterior angle, it comes out to be 130 degree. Okay. Then just a minute. वो थोड़ा लिंक मेरा हो गया इसमें लेने। So now, I'm sorry my link was not working. Now we were here that we have drawn a triangle, right angled triangle, and we are going to measure all the three angles. The exterior angle PRS. Now with the help of the protractor, we measure this angle and it comes out to be 130 degree. And after RPQ. RPQ comes out to be 40 degree. And after that, we measure the angle PQR, it comes out to be 90 degree. So when we add these two angles, 40 degree and 90 degree, the answer comes out to be 130 degree. So it again proves the same thing, that the exterior angle is equal to the sum of the interior opposite angles. So this is an activity which again proves the same property which I have told you just now. So exterior angle has comes out to be the sum of the interior opposite angles. Now there is another thing, another way of proving this property. That is the logical way of proving this property. In that case, we have to prove that angle PRS is equal to angle RPQ plus angle PQR. We have to prove it logically. And we are given the triangle PQR, where angle PRS is the exterior angle, is given to us. So this is given to us and we have to prove the property. For that, we draw a triangle PQR and we extend the line segment QR up to S. Now, in order to prove this property, what we will do is, we will draw a line okay, we have drawn the line RM, which is parallel to the line PQ, and now QR, which is extended till point S, this becomes the transversal of these two parallel lines. So this becomes the transversal of two parallel lines. Now what we see here is, can you tell me PQR and angle MRS, what is the relationship between these two angles? Anybody? Unmute yourself. Yes.
Angle
What relationship
PQR and
is-
angle MRS is equal.
Yes. What type of relationship they have? So, okay. So, beta, you have said it truly. You know it very well. These angles are called corresponding angles. So, these angles are called corresponding angles. Okay, these are corresponding angles. And we know that the corresponding angles formed by the transversal of the parallel line are equal. So angle PQR is equal to angle MRS. Next, angle RPQ and angle PRM, these angles you all are seeing here, these are called alternate angles. So alternate angles are always equal. So we can say that angle RPQ is equal to angle PRM because they are alternate angles. Now next, what we will do is we have to prove. What we have to prove? We have to prove that angle PRS is equal to angle RPQ plus PQR. But before that, what is given here is angle PRS. Angle PRS is equal to what? Angle PRM plus angle MRS. So that is very clear to you. Angle PRS is made up of two angles, angle PRM and angle MRS. Then now, angle PRM is equal to what? We have just now proved that angle PRM is equal to angle RPQ. So we will put the value of angle PRM. So angle PRS is equal to angle RPQ plus angle MRS is equal to what? Angle MRS is equal to angle PQR. So in place of MRS, I put the value angle PQR. So in this way, we have proved what we wanted to prove, that angle PRS is equal to angle RPQ plus angle PQR. So this is what the exterior angle property says, that the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of its interior opposite angles. Okay, so just now we have proved that angle is equal to the sum of the interior opposite angles. So this is also a way of proving this property of the triangle. So now, as we all have done this, this proof of this property, now I'm going to tell you some examples which are related to this property. We are going to do that. Now we will move on with the examples. Now in the first example, in the given figure, we have to find the values of x and 2x. The figure is given here. And for for finding the values of x, what we will do is, we will write the exterior angle of the triangle, what is given to us. Angle ABD okay. Angle ABD is given to us 123 degree. As we know, this is an exterior angle and it is given 123 degree. Now the interior opposite angles are given here. Angle BAC and these two angles are interior opposite angles, and now we are going to apply the property. We know that angle ABD is equal to angle BAC plus angle ACB. We will put the values of all the angles, and by putting the values, we will find x. So x comes out to be 123 divided by 3. Yes, so the value of x is 41 degree. Okay, so now the value of x to be 41 degree. And angle ACB comes out to be 2x is equal to 82 degrees. So in this way, we have found the two angles, interior opposite angles, by finding the value of x. In this way, we can solve any question on the basis of this exterior angle property of the triangle. So one more question we are going to do. Okay, the question is that you have to find the measure of angle BCD and angle BCA in the given triangle. angle BCD and angle BCA in the given triangle. So one by one, we'll start with angle BCD. So first of all, could you tell me what type of angle is angle BCD? Anybody? What type of angle it is? Unmute yourself. What type of angle is angle BCD? Okay, no problem. You all are seeing it very clearly that angle BCD is the exterior angle to the triangle ABC. And the second which is asked, angle BCA. So angle BCA is the interior angle and angle BCD is the exterior angle, and uh, angle CAB and angle ABC, these are the interior opposite angles. So their values are given to be 80 degree and 60 degree. And now for finding the angle BCD, we will apply the property angle BCD is equal to angle CAB plus angle ABC. And we know that angle CAB is given to be 80 degree, angle ABC is given to be 60 degree. We'll put the values and after that we get the answer, that is 140 degree. So in this way we found the value of angle BCD. Okay. Now the angle BCA is left. How we are going to find out this? Angle BCA. For finding angle BCA, we can apply a few methods. First method is, how can we find out? Now in the given triangle, we know that angle ABE is also exterior angle, that is given out to be 120 degree, and angle BCA and angle CAB, these are interior opposite angles. So we'll apply the property here, angle ABE is equal to angle BCA plus angle CAB. By putting the values, BCA comes out to be angle BCA will come out to be yes 40 degree. By subtracting angle ABE and CAB, the answer is 40 degree. Now the another method of finding the value is, there is another method also. Now it is clearly shown here that angle BCA and angle BCD, they form the linear pair. Okay, these two angles are forming linear pair. So, and we know that the sum of the linear pair of angles are, sum of linear pair of angles is 180 degree. So by applying the formula, we can find out the value of angle BCD. So it comes out to be 180 minus 140, 40 degree. So in this way, we have found the value of angle BCA. So I hope the topic is clear to you. If there is any doubt, you can ask me.
ਲੀਨੀਅਰ ਪੇਅਰ ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ?
ਬੇਟਾ ਲੀਨੀਅਰ ਪੇਅਰ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ ਜਦੋਂ ਇੱਕ ਲਾਈਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਇੱਕ ਟਰਾਂਸਵਰਸਲ ਪਾਸ ਕਰਦਾ ਹੋਵੇ ਜਾਂ ਇੱਕ ਲਾਈਨ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਇੰਟਰਸੈਕਟ ਕਰਦੀ ਹੋਵੇ ਤੇ ਉਹ ਕਰਦੀ ਹੈ ਉਸ ਪੁਆਇੰਟ ਦੇ ਉੱਪਰ ਦੋ ਐਂਗਲਸ ਫਾਰਮ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ। these are called the linear pair of angles. ਹਾਂਜੀ, is it clear now?
Okay ma'am.
ठीक है बेटा, ਹੁਣ I think it is clear to you all. If anybody else wants to ask, or I shall proceed now. Okay बेटा?
Yes, you can proceed.
Okay. So beta, now I'm just going to have a recap of what we have learned today. For that, I'll ask you some questions and you all please pay attention to them and try to respond it as soon as possible. Now the first question is the figure closed by 3 lines.
Triangle.
Options are given.
Triangle.
Pen. Okay, beta, that was actually quite easy question. So you are right, that is triangle. Now the next question is the angle between any side of a triangle and a line extended from the next side is called dash. Anybody? The angle between any side of a triangle and a line extended.
Ma'am, exterior angle.
Yes, very good.
Exterior angle.
Yes, yes. The answer is exterior angle. You are right. Then the next question is, according to exterior angle property of triangle, the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of two dash angles.
Ma'am, interior angle.
Yes, beta, very right. The answer is interior. So you all are very intelligent. Next question. For this beta, you need your paper and your pen because you have to solve it. In a triangle, measure of an exterior angle is 70 degree and measure of one of its interior opposite angle is 20 degree. The measure of other interior opposite angle will be what? And to make it easy, I have given 4 options also. But for this, you have to calculate fast. Take your pen, take your pencil or your paper and try to solve it. Whosoever have solved can give the answer. Yes, anybody?
Ma'am, 45 degree.
Yes, beta,
45
shabash.
degree.
Very right. You all are right. The answer is 45 degree. Very good. Now the next question. The exterior angle given is 120 degree. Two remote interior angles measure 60 degree and 5x plus 40. You have to find the value of x. So you can solve it later on also. You can note down the question and you can note down the options. The answer will be 4. Okay, beta. Now, please note down the homework or you can take screenshot of the screen. And the homework is find the value of the unknown interior angle x in the following figures. So some figures will be given. You have to find out the value of x. So there are 6. Each triangle you have to find the value of x. So this is your home task. You will do it yourself. Okay, beta, I hope the topic is clear to you. If not to all, to some extent, it must be clear. So I'll take your leave now. Thank you to all for hearing me. Thank you so much. Okay, beta, bye. Beta, now the school students can leave the Zoom meeting and the B.Ed students can ask any question, any doubt if they have. School students can leave now.
ਮੈਮ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਅੱਜ ਮੈਥਡ ਯੂਜ਼ ਕੀਤਾ ਉਹ ਐਕਟੀਵਿਟੀ ਮੈਥਡ ਸੀ।
ਯੈਸ ਬੇਟਾ, ਐਕਟੀਵਿਟੀ ਮੈਥਡ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕਰਵਾਇਆ ਹੈ। ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਬੇਟਾ ਲੌਜੀਕਲ ਮੈਥਡ ਵੀ ਯੂਜ਼ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੈ। ਲੌਜੀਕਲ ਮੀਨਸ ਆਈ ਹੈਵ ਪ੍ਰੂਵਨ ਇਟ ਵਿਦ ਦ ਹੈਲਪ ਆਫ ਇਕੁਏਸ਼ਨਸ ਆਲਸੋ। So first you have to perform the activity. Okay, the activity is done equations also, and in that way also you have to prove it, and after that you have to give examples related to that particular property or that particular theorem. This is the way of teaching any concept in maths, especially in geometry if you want to teach. Anybody else?
ਐਕਸਕਿਊਜ਼ ਮੀ ਮੈਮ।
ਹਾਂਜੀ
ਮੈਮ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਅੱਜ ਕਰਾਇਆ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਨਾ ਕੁਝ ਪਤਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਲੱਗਿਆ। ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਸਾਡੀ ਕਾਫੀ ਦੇਰ ਕਲਾਸ ਜੁਆਇਨ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋ ਰਹੀ ਸੀ, ਬਾਅਦ ਚ ਆਵਾਜ਼ ਆ ਰਹੀ ਸੀ।
ਬੇਟਾ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਰਿਕਾਰਡਿੰਗ ਹੋਈ ਹੈ ਬੇਟਾ, ਰਿਕਾਰਡਿੰਗ ਭੇਜ ਦਾਂਗੀ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਰਿਕਾਰਡਿੰਗ ਦੇਖ ਲਿਓ, ਉੱਥੋਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕਲੀਅਰ ਹੋ ਜਾਏਗਾ।
ਓਕੇ
ਹਾਂ ਬੇਟਾ, ਰਿਕਾਰਡਿੰਗ ਤੋਂ ਦੇਖ ਲਿਓ।
ਓਕੇ ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ।
ਹਾਂਜੀ, ਐਨੀ ਮੋਰ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਬੀਐਡ ਸਟੂਡੈਂਟ? ਕੁਝ ਹੋਰ ਪੁੱਛਣਾ ਹੈ, ਪੁੱਛ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ, ਕੋਈ ਮਤਲਬ ਡਾਊਟ ਹੈ ਤਾਂ ਕਲੀਅਰ ਕਰ